Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending cinematic reels in CapCut using powerful cinematic color grading. So it's perfect for Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, or TikTok video. And this tutorial will help you make your clips look like a professional movie all on your phone or PC. So first you can start by adding your clips into CapCut like this. And now you can go into filter. And then just find the film filter in here. So you can click on the search button and type in the keyword film. Add these filters right here. Adjust the intensity to how you prefer. I'm going to go with 85. Click on a check icon and now click on adjust. For the adjustment, increase the brightness into 5, contrast 7, saturation 5, brilliance lower it into -18, and sharpness increase it to 25, and then highlight -9, shadow 7, temperature 5, and the hue -5. Now go back in here and click on the HSL. You can now follow this adjustment. So for the red color, -10, 10, and -10, orange 10, for the hue 15, saturation, and the lightness -10, yellow 10, -10, and the lightness 15. Now the green one 15, 10, and -12, and the light blue -20, then and -10. Click on the blue color now, -25, and saturation 20, and last one lightness 5. And that's it. Now you can get this cinematic look on your video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.